So in case you didn't see what just happened, I tried to stop the timer. I did that, and then I dropped the cube on the keyboard, and I thought I was going to hit the space bar, so I tried to stop it. So I hit it, and well, it flew all the way over here. You can see the center caps now. That was very, very successful.
Hey guys, so time for MYER time. You know what that means? Questions and answers. Let me look at Andrew's Twitter. Well, I don't have his Twitter, so we're just gonna sit here. How you guys doing? How's your day? Hope you've been having a good day. You know, good days are usually good. Just gonna walk around, waiting for everybody to show up for improv. Just, I don't know, everyone needs a good day now and then. It's good days just help. So, you know, there's never a reason to be in a bad mood. You can always just find a good thing within a day and just have a good day.
All right, that's it. No more MYER time. Me time now.
Well, it's Rubik's Cube competition day again, as you can tell by the shirt that I wear when I go to Rubik's Cube competitions. It's too early in the morning. Still, again.
I was so confused. What do you do?
Oh, yeah. Ready?
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Oh god, not anymore. Okay, I'm ready. I'm gonna go outside to get some nice fresh air. Ah. So refreshing. Alright, and that's enough of that. I'm ready. This one's standing up.
Okay. 8 seconds.
Wait, Andrew, did you just not want to sit for this?
Standing up is how you get tens.
And in second place, with an average of 14.62, Andrew Nathanson. And in first place, with an average of 14.38.
right. I just did some cubing. Didn't get any special like averages of 1, 5, or 12, but I broke my average of 50 PB and average of 100, so woohoo for that.
Oh, cool. Sorry, I gotta do it. Hold on, what was I gonna? Hey guys, it's MYER time again. You know, the request today was to talk about getting dressed and how to do that. So it's just every day, you know, just usually during the night what I do is I decide to take clothes that I think I'm gonna wear in the morning and I think would look good, and especially for the girlfriend, but that she would like. And what I do is I just pick them out. Usually first thing on the shelves, and I just, you know, wake up in the morning, I'm like, I already did that. But just make sure it's something that matches, something that goes well. Just gotta keep it going, you know. Can't make sure to wear khakis, you know. Khakis definitely in right now, and people would love that. Right, Andrew? What are you doing? Exactly. Okay, Andrew, this is MYER time, okay? This is my segment on your show. Hey, but it's just something that's so simple, but you need to take it seriously. Because without it, hey, no, MYER time does not end. You see this? They're trying to cancel me. They're not going to cancel me. You can't shut them down. Don't listen to the man, guys. Don't listen to him.
All right.
Don't.
All right, it's Andrew time now. We're gonna do some improv.